Okay guys, welcome back. I just thought I'd make a few notes on the fish that are currently really desirable in Thailand, which are these Siamese fighters that are bred to look like the Thai flag. Numerous pitfalls with these fish, especially as regards sexing, so I'd like to highlight them now. Obviously the fish on camera right here is a male, and that's one of the main ways you'll know is that he's displaying, because this also obviously male next to him, they're in the eye line, so they're displayed to each other. So they're two males. This one is probably the best quality male that I have. The next fish along was sold to me as a female. However, this fish started building a bubble nest, and that's the other way that you can tell whether you have a male or a female. So he's now showing interest in the male next to him. And we all make mistakes with this. So because this one is displaying and he likes to fight, I would say this is also male. We all make mistakes with these fish, even people who've been in the game for 3 decades, such as myself. But this so-called female is a male, beginning to make bubble nests. It's a young fish, so it's beginning to make bubble nests. Other more mature males will try and fight with it. So that, in my opinion, is male. The next fish here is female, sold to me as female. Short fins, doesn't display to the other fish and doesn't build bubble nests. The same with the next one, and the same with the next one. Important to note, genetics wise, what we're doing with these is there is no gene for the Thai flag that produces a consistent pattern. What we're doing is taking the genetics, the multiple genes from a fish, and trying to put them with the multiple genes of another fish. The sum of those genes ends up in a phenotype that approximates the Thai flag. So this is basically selective breeding, not based on one trait, i.e. the Thai flag, many traits in many different fish that have that individual looking a bit like the Thai flag. By line breeding in this way, then we're trying to come up with the perfect Thai flag. It doesn't always work. Sometimes you pair these fish and you get something that looks nothing like the Thai flag, maybe just a plain red fish. That's the way it works with BETTA splendens, with Siamese fighting fish, and this not mutation, this attempt to line breed a stable mutation. Anyway guys, watch what you're doing. The males are easy to tell, but young males are easy to pass off as females, and obviously breeders don't like to sell that many of the females because they don't want people doing what they do. I don't have any such problems. It's a hobby. We make money, but it's essentially a hobby, and if I can help, then I will. But that's about the best one we've produced so far, I think. Okay, I hope that was helpful, and I will see you next time.